In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add border frame to your photos on an iPhone without using any third-party apps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. And first off, you need to head over to Photos app. Then search for a photo you would like to edit. I'm gonna use that one. Then tap at Edit. After that, tap at that markup icon to activate markup mode. Then tap right here at plus and select Add Shape. I'm gonna choose that rectangle. Now we need to place it closer to the edges of our photo, and then we need to scale it in that way. I'm gonna place it as close as possible to the right edge. Once it is done, we need to tap right here at that circle and change the opacity to 0. After that, I'm gonna tap right here at 5 and I'm gonna change it up to 30. And then also we need to tap right here at the circle located to the left of that circle. Then I'm gonna choose some color here, and basically, guys, that's it. We got a frame. We can also we can also move this frame, and also we can change its shape by dragging that edges. And then once it is done, to save the changes, just tap at Done and then Done again. That's how you can easily add border frame to your photo on an iPhone without using any third-party apps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.